This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shari Abbott. Welcome home. This inviting home features a flexible floor plan that adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle, whether you're entertaining guests, working from home, or simply enjoying quiet evenings. With cathedral ceilings and picturesque windows, natural light floods every corner, creating a warm and open atmosphere. A split floor plan offers privacy for the primary suite that features dual sinks, walk-in shower, garden tub and large closet. The galley-style kitchen is designed for optimal functionality and opens up to the living area. Step outside to discover a covered porch, extended patio and a spacious, PVC fenced-in yard, perfect for pets, play, gardening, or weekend gatherings. The 10 gate is a game changer and allows you to bring your bigger toys into the yard. Great curb appeal and beautifully landscaped, including papaya trees. Ideally located and minutes from many major employers, including L3Harris and Northrop Grumman. Roof 2021. No carpeting. Laundry room west/sink. For more information, review the details below.